If you've been thinking about selling the big house and trading it in for something easier, here's the truth. Not all triangle neighborhoods are created equal for downsizing. Some will stretch your budget, others will stretch your patience. But a few, they'll make you wonder why you didn't do this like 5 years ago. Today, we're going to be visiting my top picks for downsizing in the triangle, where life is simpler, neighbors are somewhat friendlier, and the HOA takes care of more than just your mailbox. Let's talk. Hey guys, I'm going to get you back to the video shortly, but if you're looking to purchase a home in 2025 or 2026, you need to get my Homebuyer Advantage program. It's going to give you the edge in this wild market. Now, what you're going to get is a custom plan to find the right home for you. You're also going to get my trusted network of lenders and inspectors. You'll get tools to know your full costs, no surprises here. And you'll have me in your corner the whole way through it. So this isn't guesswork, it's strategy, and it's free. So if you're thinking of buying in the next 30 to 60 days or even a year, click the link and let's make it happen. The link should be below. And remember, your dream home is out there. Let's go get it. Now back to our video. Hey guys, thanks for joining me today. This is Rob Moore, aka Real Estate Rob. Newsflash, I adopted the neighbor's dog. Yeah, he was a blacksmith. It's funny, as soon as I got the dog home, he made a bolt for the door. Okay, it was funny when I heard it. Oh, and if you happen to know of someone who's looking to buy or sell a home, reach out. My information is in the description, possibly the pinned comments. Or you can just send an email, text message, snail mail, show up to my front door. Don't do that. But yeah, you can reach out to me any way you see fit. That's in the description. Let's get this started. Cary's Carolina Preserve is a Del Webb 55 plus community with single story homes. They have walking trails and a clubhouse as well. Sometimes that clubhouse can get busier than a downtown Raleigh on a Saturday night, or busier than I-40 at 5 o'clock in Wake County, busier than Lower Glenwood. You catch my drift. But anywho, the HOA covers your landscaping, and the neighbors tend to look out for each other. But hang tight. Our next stop is a little newer and a lot more budget friendly. Stay tuned. Trilogy feels like a resort. Indoor and outdoor pools. They have a fitness center, even cooking classes. Who's heard of that? If you're looking for a community where you can park the mower, and I mean like forever, and trade it in for a pickleball paddle, this place might be it for you. But if you want a charming, walkable downtown, wait until you see our next one. Townhomes, no yard work, and a short drive to historic downtown Apex. This place is perfect for folks who want low maintenance living without sacrificing your location. Still, our next neighborhood offers a peaceful pace and some of the lowest prices in the triangle. Stay tuned. A walkable 55 plus neighborhood, just steps from downtown Clayton. You have single level living, somewhat friendly neighbors, and a slower pace of life. But our final pick, it offers something these others can't. We're talking lakefront living without leaving the triangle. Stay tuned. Here you get modern homes, tons of amenities and access to greenways that make morning walks feel like a nature retreat. If you've been dreaming of moving but don't want to lose that community feel, this might be the one. So downsizing isn't just about less space, it's about more life. The right neighborhood, it makes it possible, right? So I did something special. I have a guide called Downsizing Without the Drama. It's part of my blog. You can just click the button below and read it. And do me a favor, let me know which one of these neighborhoods you would choose. Remember, when downsizing, it's not about losing rooms, it's about losing the room where the treadmill sits collecting dust because you never used it. Don't front. We all have that one room, or we all know that one person that has that room. Alright guys, that concludes this video. Thanks for watching today. You could have been anywhere else in the world, but you chose to be here with me, so I am truly grateful. Thank you. Also, sometimes I get sad because it looks as if no one's watching my videos. Do me a favor, hit that like and subscribe button so I'll at least know you're there. Also, in my last video I talked about downsizing to Clayton. Maybe you feel that might be the right jump. It's a little bit cheaper. You get more bang for your buck. You should watch that video because it's coming up next.